Good morning. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. NASDAQ doing the thing that it does into the 25,000s, 170s, all-time highs. I think we got to be long. All-time high NASDAQ. Oh. Holy shit. All-time high in the NASDAQ. Previous all-time high being here. Work. There he is. Good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Stoked you're here, man. How you doing? Let's go. Good morning, King. Good morning, King. Let's make some money. It's going to be a quick stream today, brother. Just in and out. Got a round of golf playing with my boys. We got to make tea time. So just trying to see if we can come in, find a nice opportunity. See if we can find something. Not going to force nothing, though. We got jobs that just came out. A little bit of impact news here at 10. Woo. Market's already up at the new highs. 25,100 in the NASDAQ. Wild pricing to be looking at here. Hey, let's see. We're a little early, I know. We're a little early, I know, work, but it's we partying. Doing great. None really much. Just got me some food. About to eat this and watch stream. Ain't really going to be trading for a while after all this bullshit going on. Trading for a while after all this BS going on. With the government shutdown and stuff, that's what you're talking about? I hear you, King. It's going to be weird. It's going to be really messing with the markets. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Happy you're here, brother. Welcome in. Opening up the markets this morning to an all-time high NASDAQ in the 25,180s. Interessante. We had jobless claims come out. And we have a little bit more news here at 10. The real fun is going to be tomorrow. So when the real volatility is going to be here. Matrix, good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Let's make that monies. Opening up to a 25,100 NASDAQ. The strength is wild. What the vision of the day, King? More buys or some correction to the downside? Oh, it's a good question, Amin. It's hard to fade the longs at this top just because they've been ridiculous. But with the extension of yesterday's range to push up into the highs, stayed overnight, more continuation. I'm expecting maybe a little bit of a chance of rejection. Maybe we go to the 25,200s, see what the 200s play. But I'm not sure. Good morning, Danielle. Welcome in, Queen. There she is. Let's go. The family's here. Let's go. Got on a little early today. Also going to be getting off early today. Really just going to be looking on, trying to get a trade. Not going to be here very long. My boys, we got a scheduled time for some tea time for golf. Can't miss it. So, yeah, gang. We're not going to be messing around too crazy today. There is obviously the government shutdown. A lot of things are going on right now that is going to be bringing some outside just interest, some volatility. But we're obviously at the 25,180, so we're at an all-time high with the government shutdown right now. Things are pretty heating up, getting crazy. Morning, Stigma. How you been, bro? I've been great, man. Hope you have been too. Welcome back, King. Hope you've been feeling great. Matthew, good morning, King. Let's go. Good morning. Let's get it. Hit that birdie, Tyler. We're going to try, dude. I need to get one more. I need it. When I see price stick to a level price like now, 175, maybe see down 50 points. I like that. I like that, Amy. I'm also wouldn't mind a downside, a little downside push. I also wouldn't mind a little downside push. Matter of fact, this might be, I don't have any structure. I kind of want to have a short open and then just have my stops above this price for the first trade. If we go run through these tops, then we go run through them, but I don't know. Might be worth 15 points of risk. What an insane move. I know, Danny. Unreal, honestly. From yesterday's low, up 200 points. Opening print candles coming in here in the next minute. Starting to find some sell side. Like I said, I kind of want to be short with my stops above the range or above the previous high. Don't know if we're going to get a chance at that fill, but that's what I would like. I'm going to try to get one. See if we can get one before the market opens here. Risking my normal 15 points. See if we can get something early. I want to see this downside play through. I want to see this downside play through a bit. Hoping to see if we can get a fill. We're short. Stops are going to be above the top right now. Let's just see. One of my earlier trades, y'all. Let's see what we can do. Morning, Mad Max. Just giving us our normal 15 points here. Good morning, Diego. Welcome in, King. Glad everybody's here. Hope everyone's doing great. Everyone's feeling happy, healthy. All right, we're getting some sell side off the pressure here. Nice little move so far. Nice little move so far. I don't know if we see the 25,092s. Wouldn't be bad. I don't need technically 15. I only need 1430. So we need something more like this. Something a little bit closer to that. But we got to see if we can get another contract. 125s. That's where you like, Amy? All right, King. The 124s, 125s, where we're hanging out right now. Do we just hold? Do we just hodl this whole position? Do we find the 25,095s off this one contract? I don't know. Gonna be interested to see how this next couple candles play out. Maybe we find an ad and just try to get out. Always gonna show love even if I'm off the charts. That's my guy right there. Appreciate you so much, Keith. You're the man, dude. Hope you're off the charts just for you know, some good reasons, not because of anything for trading. Not for anything with trading, King. 150 must hold now. I haven't hit one yet, not gonna lie. You hit this TP or off the bat, go warm up for you can hit that birdie today with the bros. That's my boy. Let's go work. You haven't hit one yet? Not gonna lie, bro. My first game out, I got so lucky a little bit, dude. Nice little chip approach. Beautiful, like, little 12-foot putt for a bird. Oh, man, what a feeling. Let's see if we can get this TP to play out. Looking to find some downside. We had a nice fill at opening print. We had a nice fill up at the opening print there. I think we got to find another contract. I think finding into the 25,090 is going to be a little tough. I think we're going to be looking for another contract. Might be right here as well. If we get a pull back into this EMA. Wouldn't mind being 2 here. Wouldn't mind being 2 here. Good morning, Pablo. Welcome in, King. TLR, our boy. Good morning, King. Everybody's here. We're in the trade super early this morning, seeing if we can get a rotation down towards these 25,095s. I was looking to see if we can get a second contract fill. It looks like it's not really interested in fulfilling that for us. Might just be holding here. 30 points lower. I don't think it's unreasonable. I don't love the extension that we're seeking just because we're already got a decent little move, but we'll see. Trying to hold through these 137s. Amy said the 150's got to hold. 150 hold. Let's go. Come on, 150s. Come on, 150s. Stay below there. See the downside pressure. Nah, that's dope. Not going to lie. First time hitting one getting me frustrated. Might go to the field today. Never frustrated. Only inspired. Only inspired by each other for work. But I love it. You got to go to that. Got to go to the range. Hit some balls. I'm excited to go play with my boys. Just be outside in the sun. Not a whole lot to worry about. Not a whole lot to worry about. I was looking for a second contract fill at the 50s. We didn't get it, so now I'm just kind of hanging out. Still hoping to see the VWAP play. Currently, the next obstacle is going to be the 100s here before the 95. So that's one thing I'm looking at. It's one thing I'm observing here. Next obstacle is going to be these 100-hole numbers. Starting to find some selling into the 30s. Data news. This is kind of that data bottom here. So we could find a little bit of a reaction here. Hoping to see still find some sell side. Early trade. Let's go. Super early, Caesar. Super early trade, King. Trying to see if we can get a rotation. I don't know if I love our exit at the 25,095, just below that 100 hole number. Usually the hole numbers have a bit of resistance, so we might find some buy side there, a little bit of a reaction, but we'll see. Obviously, the VWAP as well, so got to see what we can do to get through here. Bringing us down to the sell side, though. I think the 106 might be one of our cleaner, safer exits, and then we'll just look for another little rotation. I don't know. I don't love having to do it. I'd rather just make it in one trade, but the way that this price is moving, we might have to just consider. Where'd we just pull into there? Boom, 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 boom. Still looking for a second contract fill. Just to try to make this TP a little bit easier on us. I don't love the 95 fill just because we have to get through the VWAP and through that 100 hole number. So it's not my favorite exit. So if I can get another contract to make it easier for our 15, it'd be nice. 125 hit. Let's go. Easy 50 points, like I said. Super easy points. Good trading, Amin. You nailed that, King. Let's go. Good trading, Amin. Hoping to find a little bit more here. Want to try to find some pressure into the VWAP. Looking to see if we can get a second contract fill. If we get a fill in around the 36s. The 100 hole number in the VWAP are going to be our obstacle here. It's going to be our obstacle here. Looking to get a second contract fill. We haven't tapped into the VWAP, so ideally we get that contract before, so I can just put my TP before VWAP would be ideal for us. It's not looking like we're getting that opportunity. We're going to go try to test out these bottoms right here. I don't love having to get through this 100 hole number, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see, gang. Here comes the VWAP now. I would hope to see some weight through it. I just don't think that we're likely to see some weight through it. Yeah. Might have to close here at these 100s and this VWAP price. It's tough. It's tricky. I just wanted a second contract so we could try to get out, but not going to be able to probably make the whole 1400 on this one move, gang. Not sure yet. I don't necessarily love to see the tap into the VWAP prior to getting what we were seeking. See if there's a little bit of weight through this. Last little attempt here. I want to see if we can try to cut through here at all. We're obviously seeking the 95, so here we go. We're trying. Nasdaq's trying. She's trying. Come down to those 95s for us. Trying. 5 more points. Teased us. Teased us right there. Hey. Good morning, Pat. Sorry I didn't see you in there, King. Welcome in, brother. Happy you're here, bro. What an early trade. Super early shorts off the open, y'all. Pulled into the VWAP. Got a little bit deeper into there. Really pretty execution overall. Can't be upset about that. Let's go, Amy. Good execution. Way to spot that early. Nice trade. Maxi's here. What's up, King Man? Happy you're here, brother. Past accounts. Congrats, bro. That was fast. That was fast today, huh, Pat? Thank you, King. Caught an early short this morning. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Nice trade. Thanks, Danny. What made you get in for that sell? Wani, we had the incredible pressure yesterday from our range. So we had that nice little range. And then the pressure of the overday just brought us all the way up to these 25,000 NASDAQ. When we had the continuation overnight into this cliff is what I like to call it. It kind of like builds a little bit of a cliff. And then I just got short pre-market with my stops above this high, assuming that these might be protected. I took a short on this candle here. Price came in and then got a little bit lucky. She kept finding some delivery to the sell side. You cannot complain about it. Let's go, gang. We got our fundeds back. We got our funded accounts back. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Tomorrow with NFP, big opportunity, big volatility. We're going to have our chances. So that's all we could do. There's already 38 people watching, y'all. Can we hit an early like on the stream today for the early trade? I'm not going to be streaming all our morning like normal. Probably getting out of here like 10 o'clock today. I have an appointment with my boys. We're going to go play a round of golf. Super excited about it. And yeah, so I was only really coming on here trying to find something early for us. Did. Smashed it. Got lucky. NASDAQ delivering nicely to the downside there. Got through the VWAP. That VWAP was going to be the spot where I thought we might find some resistance, but one contract was enough to get it done. There he is, Jay. What's up, King? Brother, I think you need to make a little more. Didn't you make 1570 yesterday, or did they change the rule about going over 50%? Yeah, they just, first of all, appreciate it, Jared. Appreciate the concern there, King. Look at the sell side, delivering into the 60s now. Nothing but selling. But yeah, brother, they have a little bit of a leeway. So the previous day we made, what did we make? Let me go look. Made 15. I think we made like 1570 on day one. And then today we made the last little 1440. So all I know is the accounts are over 53,000. That's all you have to do. They offer a little bit of a leeway in terms of that 50%. But no, I appreciate it, Jared. I think we're okay. NFP tomorrow in my box calendar next week. NFP is tomorrow, King. NFP, check it out. Non-farm payroll. Where is she at? Right there. Non-farm payroll tomorrow. Unemployment rate. Oh, it's going to be crazy. Going to be volatile AF. We have NFP and PMI. So, yeah, tomorrow I'm expecting the real opportunity. That's why I was trying to just, hopefully pass these accounts quickly. Get us an opportunity tomorrow with some fundeds to make some damage happen. But we'll see. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me try to help y'all out in case you haven't taken any trades yet. Obviously, we had the cliff that formed into the 180s, overnight buy pressure, continuation from yesterday. Maybe gave us an idea that we could find some selling. Turned around at the price, pushing through now to nearly previous day high. I think this could be the next safest target is the 25,035. And then from there, you could probably just target the 25,000 whole number, which will also be overnight low. So I think this could be a safe exit for the day. We're just right now finding some heavy selling into the 25,000s. Short from 120. Maxi, what the man does. What the man does. Letting it run, baby. Come on, King. Like I said, maybe 25,000 is your exit. What are you seeing for a potential target, Maxi? If we haven't yet, make sure y'all hit the like button, gang. It means a lot. I know it's going to be a quick stream, so it's not super useful for you guys. I apologize for that. But if you guys still respect it and messing with your boy, hit that like button. Let's get this channel cranking. What a 15-minute candle like on NFP today, huh? What a 15-minute candle like on NFP today. Yeah. 15-minute candle. Look at it. Oh, Jesus. That's the cliff. That's the cliff that I was talking about, where it kind of forms this peak, and then you can hopefully find a position. And we did, and now it's just delivering down to the downside into the 40s here. Like I said, maybe overnight low into the 25,000s. We're tapping into the previous day high now, so that's going to be our first safe exit. I'm short from the 90, holding. Let's go, Pat. Come on, King. Good trading, gang. Amy, me, Max. Our boys are finding the shorts. Either it dumps here or it will be a fake buying up. I like that. I want to see the dump ski. Big blacks, no wicks. Big blacks, no wicks, you feel me? Try to get through this range. Try to get through this range. It's a big 15-minute candle pullback into the previous all-time high, which might be where we're feeling to the 28s. 28 could be an obstacle. Just a heads up, you guys. 28 could be a little bit of an obstacle. It's previous all-time high, also previous day high. So definitely going to be some orders being executed there. 25,000 whole numbers, overnight low. Fairly safe exit as well. Potentially targets. I'll watch the 25K. Yep. So Amy is looking for the downside, the 25,000 whole number, possibly for an exit. Like I said, overnight low. Let's see it, Kings. Let's see this selling. And queens. Hopefully Danny's in here making them shorts. She's our short queen, so I bet she found something. Love it, though, Pat. Finding an early short, King. Good job. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I love it. The family's making money today. What a feeling. Back to fundeds. Tomorrow, NFP, volatility options have the chance to really do something. Or blow them. Could definitely just blow them as well. Can't fade sells off like this. Just have to join them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that. I like that, Pat. Congrats on the early day, by the way. It's nice, isn't it? LOL. Super nice, Jared. I'm just chilling. Just chilling right now. Usually I have to, like, be looking for a setup. First 15-minute range. Our first 15 minutes, y'all. Let's get our box drawn out just so we can help y'all out. It's not pretty. Opening print candle was just a cliff. It's like we were hoping for. Honestly, was what we were hoping for, and we got a perfect little fill, and there it is. So maybe I would be looking for, if you guys aren't in this yet, pull back to the 50% of the range and the VWAP. VWAP's curling a little bit aggressively, but maybe a pullback into the 100s, so like the 90s, 96s, 97s could be a nice short. If you're looking for the continuation. 50% of the range of our first 15 minutes. Wow, guys, the volatility today. It's our first 15-minute range. 167 into the, like, 130 points in our first 15 minutes. Topstep might activate you within a few minutes. You did get an email that you passed yet. Did you get an email that you passed yet? Let's check, Dave. I'm not sure, King. Let me take a gander, my friend. I don't think so. Quite usually, they're not the fastest. Do you mean? They have a bit of a delay. It's not a big delay, but it's a bit of a one. Oh, wait. Trading Combine passed. No, sir. Okay, so look at this. Sorry about the yawning in for y'all's faces there. I'm going to sneeze. Ugh, my sinuses, my allergies. Oh, geez. But if you see right here, this one says active, and this one says pass for some reason. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. So if you see 5221, 524, 524, 527, but this one's 53. So this is the only one that's updated so far. And that's why I only have 4. So I only have 1 so far that's actually gone through. Can almost activate, Dave, but not quite yet, King. Yes, but with small size to bring my XFA a little back to live. Yes, ma'am, Danny. So she got that shorts. That's my queen. Even if they give you funded accounts now, better trade tomorrow. I agree, I mean. And like I said, I'm just not in the mindset. I'm on the mindset right now to just, you know, hang out. Gonna play some golf with the boys. So just the fact that we got the trade in, can't be upset about it. Not gonna force anything. Let's fucking go. I gotta put the Red Bull down. Let's go, Corey. Took the bounce a little heavy, up 1K, and might have to call it there. You might have to call it there, King. Risky. I wouldn't be, if you mean the bounce in the longs, because that is scary, my friend. And also, just lock it in. You just had a great trade, brother. Treat these new XFAs like your kids, bro. Let's go, Pat. New payouts coming, King. More max payouts coming from these ones. You saw the last XFAs we had. We had them to day 4 and just could not get a balance going. I was negative the whole time, even though I had 4 winning days. It was just stuck sideways. But these ones are going to be new ones. These are new. Treat them different. Make some money. Let's get that payout, Pat. Together, King. Want to see you get a max payout on these. Let's go. That's the goal, Pat. Let's fucking... Still need 1.2 to pass. Let's go, Matrix. I think if I haven't been in a position yet, I'd be looking for the sell side around this VWAP. 50% of our range, so our first 50 minutes, 50%. VWAP's coming into play, forming a little bit of a bear flag, couple confluences. We still have the 25,000 downside target, overnight low. So, yeah, I'd still be probably looking for a short fill around these 80s or 90s. Maybe we can't even get through this EMA, but we'll be seeing. That's kind of what I'd be looking for. Shorts around probably the 90, maybe the 80s. It's going to be tough. Maybe even this EMA fails, but we'll see. We'll see. You too, Pat. You're gonna get a max payout with these ones too, King. Soon as with your TPTs. You still have those TPTs? Hope so, brother. Saucy. Sorry I missed your waves, King. Happy day, brother. Stoked to see you here. Yeah, bro. Let's go, Pat. Let's go, King. You're getting a payout next week out of those. Starting with a nice, fat, juicy green day tomorrow. NFP. Providing the liquidity to make the dinero. Stoked for you. EMA looking like it is going to be the failing there. Sorry for the call, Matrix. I was hoping to see maybe a VWAP play. Finding a lot of pressure back to the bottom of the 15-minute range here. Let's see if we can find a range back inside. Overnight low at the 25,000s that we look like we're hunting. Tapping into the previous day high, previous all-time high as well. The market's marketing, boys. Woo-wee! Boys and Danny. And any other queens in here. More sell side off that EMA push. Bears have just been in control. Buyers haven't been able to find any bids, it looks like. Let's go. Got it. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Good trading, King. Message. Holy gosh, I'm sorry. I switched to micros. I can scale into them on an A+ setups and keep the risk tight. No more blowing combines. I'm done with that. Time to get paid. Accounts have been consistently growing. Time to get paid. I appreciate that right there, Pat. Sizing down, bro. You don't need to chase the big dollars. You don't need to chase or even people trading big size. Play your game and find you, bro. I appreciate that. Bless you, Danny. Thank you so much, Queen. You gonna go to micros on the new XFAs or still minis? I'm a degenerate, Dave. I'm a degenerate, Dave. I only have one option, King, and it's to play it. We gotta go minis. Gotta go minis. Same rules. One contract. Try to find my outside edge. Have my 15-point stop. If I start getting validation, add in. That's been my strategy. Can't change it. Gonna use it to try to get another payout. We'll see how it goes. Didn't plan to pass in 2 days since system locked me out before I got to 1.5 yesterday. All good, King. Passed in 2 days is crazy. System locked me out before I got to 1.5 yesterday. All good, King. Let's go, Matrix. So you're passed? Is that what I'm hearing? Are you passed? Salud. Thank you, sir. My boy, I'm turning these onto a live account. That's that confidence, Pat. Yes, you are, King. Yes, you are, King. Let's fucking go. TPT Pro live account. Pat Wilt, because he sat here and disciplined himself through the micros. Stuck to his own strategy that works for him and made money. Because what do we do? What are we paid to do here? We're paid to make more than we lose. We're not paid to be correct. We're not paid to have big size. We're not paid to catch giant moves. We're just paid to make more than we spend. It means so much, bro. Thank you. No worries, King. That's all you. That's all you, King. That's that mindset shift that I was hoping that you would. Remember we were talking about, like, oh, what do you recommend for, bro? It's the hardest game, but it's just about you showing up, having something that's in your playbook, and something you can be confident with. And there you go, brother. The rest is open, completely undiscoverable, ready to be found by you. That's what I love about this game so much. It's just how unique and individual it is. Like, everybody can find some skill and talent in their own style and their own language. We're all reading these charts and candles differently, even though we're all seeing similar things. And I just love that we can be here helping each other out, help each other get through the mindset. Because, again, the biggest part about trading is just keeping your psychology in the right spot. And we have the best community to help do that. So let's fucking go. Congrats, Pat. Hope to slap pro with TPT next week with you. They can take their 80 to 20 for now. Leveraging 5 is crazy. Leveraging 5 is crazy. 80-20 is sexy. Honestly, it's not bad. Obviously, Topstep has a 90-10, but their rules are a little bit more stiff. So TPT pros with the 80-20 cannot complain. Elijah, welcome in, King Man. Hope you're crushing today. I hope you found those shorts with some size like he does. Little quick snipes. Hope you're crushing, brother. Pulling back into the EMA now after getting through the 15-minute range. Sells brought it back through. Buyers are holding into the range again. Back to the EMA. Let's see what happens here. Once you TPT Pro, it's 90-10. Got you. So the Pro account's the 90-10 split. Hell yeah, Pat. It's even more sexy. Thanks. Saucy. For real, one of the best YouTube channels I have found. Brandon, you're the man, bro. Holy shit. Thank you so much, King. Means the most. I'm in YM. You're in those YM? Our boy Eli's in the YM. Looking for that sell side. Anybody trading gold today? Anybody spot any gold moves? Let's go take a peek at it real quick. See what this old girl doing. So look at this. nearly a perfect double top off of yesterday's range. We come up, we hold off the double top, and then just sell with the NASDAQ. Interesting. Gold and buys on the YM. That makes sense. That's what I meant, Elijah. Interesting though that gold and NASDAQ are in confluence with each other right now. Both found sell side off of the open. Quite interessante. Usually they are diverged. Yo, what up, Space Ninja? Welcome in, King. Hope you're doing well, brother. Happy Thursday. Gold buy from low yesterday. Hey, Amin, my boy. Smacking the longs on that gold from the early lows. Nice pump into the play this overnight. I'm jealous of you golfing today, brother. Oh, saucy. I wish you could be out there with us, King. Come on, dude. A little bit of, you should see the new clubs too. Oh, I want to rip some balls or smashing them, dude. You don't want to see me. You don't want to see it. I'm going to get a birdie today, Sauce. I'm sad you won't be able to see it, buddy. Finding a little bit of pressure to get back inside the 15-minute range. Let's see if the buyers are going to maintain the bottom of this push at the 38. See if this bottom holds, or do we start pushing back or find some more sells. There's actually not a divergence correlation with gold, just FYI. There's actually not a divergence correlation with gold, just FYI. Let's see what my boy's talking about. Are you saying they usually move in confluence? Like they're always moving together? Is that what you're saying, Tim? Because I thought they usually had like yeah, I thought they were normally diverged and were like opposite of each other. But right now, you're saying no, and right now the NASDAQ and the gold are supporting that. Both found some sell side off the open, so next year's gonna go crazy. The craziest, Sauce. It's all right, Saucy. We're gonna surf and go golf in Hawaii. Yes, sir, Pat. What a time that's going to be. Golfing on the, oh my God, the Hawaii weather. God, it's going to be wild. Who is this Timothy guy? Who is that, man? Hit the gym and chase bikinis, LOL. Hit the gym and chase bikinis. Come on, Patty. Yes, sir. That man Sauce is going to be married. Not together, but not opposite. Okay, I like that. So they don't necessarily move opposite. They don't necessarily move together. They have their own markets. I mean, that makes sense to me. They have their own market facilitating its own trades. But y'all, I'm going to be getting out of here early today. I know, not the coolest, a little bit lame. I hope I could help you guys try to find some trades today. I hope you still have the best of luck moving forward for the rest of the day. Set yourselves up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be NFP. We got an opportunity to make some real dinero, lots of range. So yeah, don't blow up accounts today, y'all. You know, just be a little bit reserved. Just try to grab some points. Set yourselves up for tomorrow. And we're going to crush tomorrow. I'm feeling excited about it. We're going to be able to activate these new XFAs. Hopefully find some good positions. The vibes are vibing. We'll end the week on a strong note. I appreciate you guys so much. Ty, you got a girl? I do not, Pat. I do not, King. Solo King at the moment. All good, man. Haul ass. Have a good time golfing. Thank you, Danny. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for spending your morning. Good luck trading. I love you. Drink some sun today. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we'll be back tomorrow to crush and end the week on a strong-ass note. All right, work. Jay, Corey, Danny, Pat, Amy, and Eli, everybody. Matrix, Brandon, you guys are the best. Have a good rest of your day, y'all. Peace.